Assalamu alaikum, my students, grade 6, how are you? Let's start our first lesson about unit 10, introduction to area and perimeter. Let's see this example. A gardener wants to fence her garden. We have a garden and we want to make fence around this garden. Then let's see this garden. We have this wire. We want to make this wire around our garden. Then she has a roll of fencing wire, but she doesn't know the length of the wire required for fencing. She needs to find the perimeter of her garden. Okay, then how to measure the perimeter, how to get the wire around our garden. Let's see how. Before we find the garden perimeter, find the perimeter of the shape down grid. You see here we have this shape like rectangle, and you must get each side. Then let's count. Imagine that you are standing here and like your steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this side is 5. And count this side 1, 2. Okay? Then the rectangle, you know, it has each opposite sides are equal. Then let's see. We have here is 5, and there is 2, here is 5, here is 2. If you get the total, it will be 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. It will be what? Yes, it will be 14 centimeters to get the total. That's the perimeter of our shape. Then the perimeter gets the length around your shape. Now let's see here. According to this, our garden, the same example. Here is 5 meters, here is 2 meters, here is 5 meters, and last 2 meters. Then if you want to get the length of your fence, you will add all sides to get the perimeter. Then it will be 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, it will be 14 meters. Or you can get your rule like this. So you have double of 5 and double of 2. That's meaning 5 multiply 2 and 2 multiply 2. You will get your perimeter. It will be the same answer. It will be 14 meters. Then now we know the length of our fence. Now, let's see if we have this book and you want to cover the front of a book, to make cover of this book, how much paper does we need? Let's see. You must measure the length and the width. Then if you want to cover, you need area or perimeter. You must know that. If you want to make cover, then we need area. Yes. Then now we have this color of cover and you want to make cover for this book. Then to cut how much from this material, let's see. Let's see that the same idea. If we have squares like this and you want to make cover of anything, you must count how many squares inside. Then you must know each small unit like this small square one by one to get 1 centimeter squared. Then if you want to get the area of this, you will count how many squares. You know that. Yes, now let's count how many squares inside this rectangle to find the area. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this rectangle has 10 centimeters squares. And you can get it by another way, by what you know the rule of how to get the area of rectangle. Yes, you can multiply length by width to get the area of rectangle. It will be 5 multiplied by 2, it will be 10 centimeters squared. Then let's return again to our book. If the dimensions of your book like 25 centimeters by 20 centimeters, here is length 25, here is wide, or we have this width 20 centimeters. Then how to get your area? Yes, you multiply 25 by 20, it will be, yes, 500 centimeters squares. Then your cover will be like this. It will be 500 centimeters square paper of this color to cover the front of your book. Now I'll give you